Have you recently bought something and you're trying to send cash? Today, we're going over Wealthsimple Cash. I'm gonna show you how to easily send money to your friends. Let's see how simple this is. It's that simple. It's Wealthsimple. Hey everyone, welcome back. Nate here. If this is your first time, thanks for coming by. Make sure to check out my intro video. It just tells you about what my channel's about, what kind of content you're gonna get here. If you haven't already, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. If you do subscribe, drop a comment below. Just say I've subscribed and I'll make sure to comment on your comment.
Comment.
That's way too many comments. Today, you're gonna learn how to sign up to Wealthsimple Cash, how to use the app, and why you should even try to use the app. Make sure to stay to the end so you can see how to use the app to its entirety and how to send money fast. You don't wanna miss out on this. Let's get into it. So who is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian FinTech company that is built on their robo-advisor investing. Wealthsimple is much more than that now. Their goal is to be every part of your financial life in order to help you gain financial freedom. And now they have Wealthsimple Cash. Now, Wealthsimple Cash has been out for around a year, but things are changing quickly. And now their app has been revamped. And Wealthsimple Cash that we're gonna be talking about today is in beta, which really means it's just starting out. And as you use the app, not every option is gonna be available to you, but they are releasing it as quickly as they can. So before you even sign up for a product, and especially an online product, one of the things that you really wanna check out is this product even safe? Or is this gonna be a scam?
And my money's just gonna disappear.
Well, Wealthsimple says they are committed to keeping your money safe to the highest standards of security that's available to them. Well, what exactly does that mean? Well, what that means is that everything that they have on their app is encrypted. Your passwords are protected and your information is protected from outside
nefarious people.
Now they say they use state-of-the-art encryption. They don't actually go into what that means, and most people don't really care, but just to know that, okay, it's encrypted, it's safe. They also use two-factor authentication, but the difference between Wealthsimple Cash and a different type of account is that not all banks actually require you to have it, where Wealthsimple actually requires you to use the two-factor authentication. So ding, smash like, that's a thumbs up in my books. What other things about the app might give you more confidence in it? When it says 1.5 million people are using their app, it doesn't necessarily mean 1.5 million people are using the Cash app. What it means is that they have 1.5 million users that are using Wealthsimple Tax, Wealthsimple Invest, Wealthsimple Trade, and Wealthsimple Cash. And lastly, Wealthsimple is backed by $265 million in investments from some of the largest financial institutions in the world. So it's pretty safe to say that yes, this app is safe. But yeah, it is a safe product to use. It is only available to Canadians, but I would say that this product is safe to use in their encryption, in what they're backed by, and in how many users are using the platform at this point. So now that we know a little bit about the background of the company, now that we know that it's safe, let's sign up and see how long it takes to sign up.
So when you click on the link in the description, you're going to be brought to this page. You're going to have to put in your email address and password, and then you're going to click get started, and they're going to send you an email, and then you're going to have to download the app and open it up in the app. So you're going to log in. You can allow notifications if you'd like, and then you're going to complete your profile. So you're going to choose your unique handle. You can use your name, you can use whatever you'd like. Whatever that cool high school name is that everyone's been calling you for years. And you're going to confirm that. Now they're going to ask you to confirm your phone number, and they're going to send you a 2FA code. So you're going to put in your first name. Then you're going to put in your last name. You're going to put in your birth date. These all need to be accurate because they check against your credit to see if they are accurate. What your citizenship is. What your gender is. Where you live. At this point, there is no need to be wary. This is a banking app, and they just need this information for Know Your Customer. What's your mailing address? So you're going to tell them about how you work, unemployed, employed, self-employed, whatever that is, retired. So input your SIN number. That is your social insurance number. All these assumptions are about you, and whether they are correct or not, you need to say that they're correct. If they're not correct, then you won't be able to sign up for the app. You're going to confirm your details, your address, your name, your birth date, your social insurance number, just to make sure they're all correct. Don't bypass this. Make sure these things are correct. All right, then you're going to verify your address. They're going to send you an email. So you're going to have to go to your email and verify that address. All right, you've been verified. For some reason, they bring you to the Wealthsimple Invest app, which is kind of annoying. But then it's going to have a little clock here showing that it is verifying your profile. All right, so the last step is that you have to confirm a bunch of forms. So you're going to confirm who you are and that all of these questions they've asked are actually no. And there's a lot of legal jargon in here. I'm not going to go through it all with you guys. I'll just skip forward, but know that you should read through it just to know what you're getting yourself into. And they also have agreements for tax purposes, because the 0.75% interest that you're going to get, you can actually be taxed on. So you have to claim that at the end of the year.
So signing up literally takes less than 60 seconds. Try saying that about your local bank. Have you ever tried to open a bank account at one of the big 4 banks in Canada, or any bank for that matter? You have to go in, you got to sign papers. There's all this paperwork. There's an appointment that you have to set out. You have to take time out of your day. You actually have to spend money in order to open a bank account by wasting your time, all those things. Or you can spend 60 seconds and sign up. This is the direction that the world is going in. This is the direction that we are going in as millennials. We know how to use our phones, and why can't you just put it on your phone? Now that we've signed up, let's go over. There are no fees with Wealthsimple Cash. So I don't have much to say about that. All right, so now that you're signed up, how do we actually use the app?
So here's the app. It's pretty amazing looking. It's really simple, and it's got that $sign in the middle. It's got your amount on the top. There you go. Just got our $5 referral. That didn't take long. There's a profile up at the top. You want to add funds? Just click on add. You can add debit card instantly or bank transfer, and that'll take about 5 days. Or withdraw, and withdraw is withdraw to your bank account, not sending to a friend or anything. And that will also take 5 days. Your profile, personal info, settings, get help, and log out. And this is how you send money to your friends. You can connect your contacts. My family's super loud in the background. All right, so you'd just click $5. So I'm just going to show you now how quickly it is to send money to your friends. So there's the $5 referral fee you see pop up in my phone, in Nate's account. You can send a message as well. Say, hey, here's the money I owe you. Or, I saw you on the street and you look really awesome today, so here's some money. If you put the text in, you actually can't put an emoji, so know that. Here you go, and swipe up, and bing, money sent. Click on the name, say thanks, send an emoji back. Praying? I don't know about praying, but here's some hallelujah hands. So I'm gonna just wait in real time here for how long this actually takes. This will be the longest part of this. Hopefully you guys are okay with that. I just want to show you how easy it is. It shows me how I deposited $1 a day ago. That took about 12 hours to get into my account. There's a referral bonus. And the money has now left my wife's account. And there it is. Boom. Awesome. Quick, right?
With the Wealthsimple Cash account, you can set up a savings plan that's automated, where you set up a time that you want money to be taken out and a certain amount. You could even set it up as little as $1 or 50 cents taken out every day. However you want to set that up, it's easy to set up, and the money will just be withdrawn from your account, put into your Wealthsimple account, and you'll be earning 0.75% of interest, or 0.75% interest. This is a great way to make sure that you are saving. All right, you got this far. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment below. What's your favorite Cash app? And let's keep going. Now you see the Wealthsimple Cash app, why you should use it, the answer is actually twofold. The first one is, do you enjoy paying fees?
No.
No one enjoys paying fees. And if you had to walk up to your bank every day and just pay them fees, and the average bank account is about $15 a month in fees, could you just part with that money and say,
yeah, I'm completely okay with that.
Now, this product also offers 0.75% interest, and that's pretty good considering it's supposed to be a checking account, not a savings account. So this is, well, quite frankly, a lot more than your local bank is going to give you. Now, also, this is the direction that banking is going. Peer-to-peer sales, where you buy something on Kijiji, Craigslist, eBay, someone shows up to your house and you just swipe, they have the money, they go down the driveway, you got the product, you didn't have to send an e-transfer before they showed up, you gave them the money when they showed up, and this is really going to reduce even just a lot of scammy opportunities that some people do when you send an e-transfer and you can't get it back. You show up with the product, they're going to get the money instantly. Both sides are happy. This is really the direction that banking is going. There's also nothing worse than selling someone a lamp. They show up at your house and you're selling the lamp for, let's say, $30. And they show up and they say, oh, I'm sorry, I only have $20. As the average person, that's only going to be selling their lamps once in a while. That's really annoying. And sometimes you'll just say, you know what, just give me the $20. Just give me the $20 and... Then you don't have to have that awkward moment where you just kind of stare at each other and try to figure out,
should I take the 20 or should I tell him to go home?
Last few things I want to say is that this app is in beta, so it's not completed yet. So any of the features that you're using right now are really a test, and so don't judge the book immediately by all of its functions because it's not completed yet. Some of the things that they are bringing is a new Visa debit card. So this Visa debit card, which is made of tungsten and is a little bit over the top, is pretty nice. And once the Visa debit card comes out, then you can actually use it more like a checking account where you can spend the money that goes into this account. So I hope this video has been informative, educational, and a little bit entertaining, as finances can be a little bit dry, but know that finances are a huge part of our lives. So let's shift gears to financial freedom. We all need to get out of that mindset that finances are too complicated and we can't be bothered with them. This is a big part of your lives. This is a big part of my life. Journey with me as we dive into personal finance, investing, and building your family wealth. Thank you for coming by. See you guys next week.